My name is Olivier Taelman. I'm the CEO at Nyxoah. I'm born and raised in Belgium. Today, I'm already 3 years CEO of the company, and we are developing a treatment solution for patients who are suffering from obstructive sleep apnea. The story of Nyxoah started in 2009 when a serial entrepreneur, Robert Taub, founded the company. The objective of the company was to develop a patient-centered solution for obstructive sleep apnea. We went and followed the traditional medtech path, and in 2019 we managed to obtain CE mark in Europe. Nyxoah has currently 135 employees, and although we are still small, we are a very global company with a footprint in 4 different subsidiaries. We are headquartered in Belgium. We have a strong team in Israel, in Tel Aviv. We have a second team in Australia, mainly focused on clinical studies. And since we have obtained the IDE pivotal study approval by the FDA in the US, we also invested and have now more than 20 employees in the US focusing on conducting a clinical trial. The mechanism of action of the Nyxoah technology is really straightforward. By stimulating a nerve, we provoke a muscle contraction, and due to this muscle contraction, the upper airway will maintain open. If we use a little bit more medical terms, by stimulating the hypoglossus nerve, we will provoke the contraction of the genio muscle, or better known as the tongue muscle, what is connected in the back of the throat with the upper airway, and we will maintain the upper airway open and prevent an obstruction. The way we position our technology and how we differentiate from competition is by focusing on a single incision procedure. It takes the surgeon roughly 60 minutes, skin to skin time, to implant the neurostimulator. The battery or the power source is not implanted. Next to the battery, also the software is not implanted. This is giving a lot of patient benefits. First, when a battery is depleted, patients do not need to go back to the hospital. They can simply recharge their battery. But also from a software technology, when we have new software upgrades, this can easily be pushed through the activation chip without having the physician meeting the patient physically in the hospital. Patient will just connect the activation chip, physician will connect, and there is a cloud-based solution that can make sure that the patient can benefit from the latest and greatest software upgrades. Focusing on our manufacturing side, it started by having a single manufacturing site in Israel, Tel Aviv, and recently we were able to do a tech transfer so that we have now 2 independent sites, one in Israel and one in Belgium, Val d'Isère to be very precise. This is definitely helping us increasing the volume, and it's also mitigating the risk in going forward.